Canola oil has gained popularity in recent years due to its low price and supposedly healthy profile, but there are some important facts you need to know before using it in your cooking. Did you know that canola oil isn't just used in cooking, but also as an industrial lubricant? That means it might not be the best choice for human consumption. But that's not all. Research has shown that there may be a link between the consumption of canola oil and increased risks of certain cancers, including lung and breast cancer. While more studies are needed to confirm these findings, it's important to consider this potential risk when choosing cooking oils. Canola oil is also highly genetically modified, with over 90% of crops being genetically engineered. This means it's not a natural or organic product and may contain harmful chemicals or other potential risks. Last but not least, canola oil has little to no nutritional value and can even contribute to inflammation in the body due to its high omega-6 fatty acid content. So, what are some healthier alternatives to canola oil? Consider using oils such as avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or even butter or ghee. These options are generally less processed, more natural, and offer greater nutritional benefits.